Good morning students. Today class we are going to derive very important questions of this chapter for 5 marks for board examination. So in each and every question paper what I am going to discuss two derivations. Every paper you will get one question for 5 marks for sure. That much important we are going to discuss today class. So here was what they are called as, already we come to know that is kinematic equations of motion for a uniformly accelerating body. So we are going to derive the kinematic equations of motion for a uniformly accelerating body. So you know what is motion? Any object which changes its position with respect to time, with respect to surroundings, is said to be that it has motion. What is uniform acceleration? If the rate of change of velocity is constant, that is called what? Uniform acceleration. So in the previous classes we discussed 5 properties of motion: distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration, as well as time. Now we are going to find the relations between these quantities what we have studied. Those are called kinematic equations of motion for a uniformly accelerating body. So for this we are using, to derive the expression, graphical method. By using graphical method we are going to derive the equations of expression. So for example, we are considering VT graph, means velocity time graph, time on x axis, velocity on y axis. Let us consider a body, any body has some initial velocity u. So initially the body has velocity u. Now what is the condition we consider? That uniformly accelerating body means what? It move with uniform acceleration. So this graph represents having a body moving with uniform acceleration. At time t equals to 0, its velocity is u, that is called initial velocity. After reaching a height or time t, its velocity becomes v. So it attains its velocity v in how much seconds? T seconds. So what we consider, that we are going to write here. Consider a body has initial velocity u, okay, moving with uniform acceleration and attains a velocity v, in time t seconds. So what we consider? Consider body moving with having just u moving with uniform acceleration a and attains a velocity v in time t seconds. So we have written what we explained. Let us take that this is a, b, c, d, the points we represent on graph. Okay. So since it is moving with uniform acceleration, what is the acceleration of this body? Acceleration a is equals to v minus u by t, or if you take slope you get acceleration, right? So what is slope here? V minus u by x2 minus x1. So you can write as slope of the graph. What is slope of the graph? I have taken this as slope. Slope is equals to what? BC by CA. What is BC? V minus U by T minus 0. What do you get? V minus U by T. Is it right? From that implies V minus U is equals to AT. So, sending T there, what do you get ma? V minus U is equals to AT. That implies V is equals to U plus AT. So, this is called first equation of motion, V is equals to U plus AT. Simple, right? So, what do you consider? I want to calculate acceleration. What is this graph? VT graph. The slope of VT graph gives what? Acceleration. So, I have taken the slope of this body from B to C. What is the length? V minus U, C to A, T minus 0. So, get BC is equals to V minus U, CA is equals to T minus 0. You can write here BC by CA. Now, second equation. So, what are three equations I will let you know. What is first one? V is equals to U plus AT, S is equals to UT plus of AT square, and third equation is V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. So, these three equations are going to derive by using this graphical method. So, first one we derived V is equals to U plus AT, that is very easy question. So, this question is very important one for 5 marks for sure question. So, they will ask that derive S is equals to UT plus of AT square. So, they given same graph. From this graph I want to calculate displacement means. What is the formula we have? The area under the curve of VT graph gives displacement. So, I want to calculate S. S is equals to what ma? Area under the curve of VT graph. So, what are the areas that has been covered under this VT graph? It has one rectangle and one triangle, that only we are going to write. So, what is the area present under the curve of VT graph? It has one rectangle. What is the rectangle name? Area of rectangle OACD. So, area of rectangle is how much? OACD plus it has also one triangle. What is the triangle name? ABC. Is it right? See, area of rectangle is OACD and area of triangle is BBC. We know very well what is area of rectangle, kana? Length into breadth. What is the length here? OA. What is the breadth? OD. Clearly we have to write plus area of triangle. What is the area of triangle ma? Half into base into height. What is the base of this triangle? Not OD. We are considering this is a triangle. So, what is the base of this triangle? AC. Height, it extends from C to B. So, BC. Now, see the graph. What is the value of OA? From O to A, the velocity value is equal to what? Initial velocity, right? So, what that value we can write as OA as U into OD. It takes how much time? T seconds. U into T plus half into AC again. So, since it is a rectangle, opposite sides, so parallel sides are equal, OD is equals to T, hence AC also equals to what? T. Again BC, what is the value of BC? V minus U. So, this is the values we got. Now, have you seen that equation 1, V minus U is equals to what? From equation 1, V minus U is equals to AT. So, that substitute the value of AT here, we get S is equals to UT plus of T into AT. Finally, T into T square, what do you get now? S is equals to UT plus of AT square. That is it. 5 marks question. See, very simple one. what we consider? We consider a body has initial velocity u, moving with uniform acceleration a and velocity attains a velocity v in time t seconds. From that, what is acceleration? Slope of the vt graph bc by ca, that equals to v minus u by t minus 0. So, t minus 0 is t, v minus u divided as v minus u is equals to at. From this, v is equals to u plus at. We got first equation. Now, we want second equation. What is second equation? S is equals to ut plus of at square. So, I want to calculate displacement, means this is vt graph. So, we know that how to calculate displacement. Displacement is equal to area under the curve of velocity time graph. So, I have written that one, same thing. S is equals to area under curve of vt graph. What are the areas that are covered under vt graph here? One rectangle and one triangle. What is the name of rectangle? OACD. So, I have written that as area of rectangle OACD plus area of triangle ABC. What is area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. What is the length here? OA. What is the breadth here? OD. Plus area of triangle of into base into height. What is the base here? AC. What is the height here? BC. So, what is the value of OA? U. OD is T plus of into AC. Because in a rectangle parallel sides are equal, OD is equals to AC, that equals to T into AC value how much? Sorry, BC value how much? V minus U. From equation 1, V minus U is equals to AT. Substitute the value, we got S is equals to UT plus of AT square. At sometimes, do not get confused that derive, they will ask that instead of S is equals to UT plus of AT square, they ask the same question as X is equals to V naught T plus of AT square. X is equals to V naught T plus of AT square. What is the difference here? S is called displacement, X is called distance. Instead of U, you should consider V naught as initial velocity. The same procedure you have to repeat. Understood, students? So, this is very important for 5 marks question. You should go through this one, and if you have any doubts, you can surely contact me at Zoom. Now, I am going to derive the last equation, that is also expected 5 mark question of this chapter. What is that? V square minus U square equals to 2AS. So, that derivation I am going to do. So, listen clearly. Same thing we have to write. Again we have to draw the graph. What is the graph? That is velocity time graph. In this, a body has initial velocity u and it moves with uniform acceleration, okay, in a time interval t seconds, extended from 0 to t, it attains a velocity v. So, let us note these points as A, B, C, D. So, we will write the same story. What the same thing we are going to write here? Consider a body has initial velocity u moving with uniform acceleration A, attains a velocity v in time t seconds. Same thing we are going to write. Okay. So, now from the graph, acceleration A is equals to v minus u by t. From this, t is equals to v minus u by a. Small thing which changes. Instead of v minus u is equals to at, we have written just sending t here, a to here. What you get? T is equals to V minus U by A. Sorry. What is the formula? Displacement is equals to what? Area under the curve of VT graph. So, what is the area under the curve? Same. What is that? It occupies one rectangle and one triangle. So, you can write as area of rectangle OACD plus area of triangle ABC. So, it occupies one rectangle and one triangle. Same. What you can write here? S is equals to, what is the area of rectangle ma? OA means length into breadth OD plus half into base, sorry, AC into BC. See the diagram, you can substitute the values. What is the length? U. What is the breadth? T plus half into T into V minus U. So, till now we have written the same derivation what we have written for there. There we substitute V minus U is equals to AT, we derived the expression. Now, we are going to change. That implies S is equals to UT plus multiply T with here half VT minus half into T minus half UT. Understood? You multiplied half T with U V minus U. See here, half first T send one inside VT minus UT, right? Now half multiplied with both terms, half into VT minus half into UT. That's what we are here at. Now here UT, this is also UT. So we can take out of these two terms what is common? UT we can take, right? Yes. So S is equals to half VT, keep like that only, plus what is common here? UT, here also UT. If you take UT common, here what is the remaining? 1. Here what is the remaining? Minus half. So 1 minus half. So S is equals to half VT plus 1 minus of how much ma? Half UT. Now clearly see students, what is common here in these two terms? Half is common, T is also common. So can I take half T common? Yes. Don't take half T, full T. So what you get taking common? Half. If you take V plus U, T common. Now here we got the equation. What is the equation? From equation 1. What is T? V minus U by A. Substitute this value here. S is equals to half into V plus U into V minus U by A. So now have you seen this? A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square. So A is V, so V square, B is U, V square minus U square divided by what are the two terms we left here? 2 into A. Got the equation. See, V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. So that is the equation required, we got, right? See, this derivation also important for 5 marks. So here we consider a body moving with uniform initial velocity U, move with uniform acceleration A, attains a velocity V in time t seconds. See, velocity U, move with uniform acceleration, attains a velocity V in time t seconds. Here the slope of this curve gives what? Acceleration. If you take that, what you get? A is equals to V minus U by T. That implies T is equals to V minus U by A. Now I am taking the same concept of displacement. What is the displacement concept? S is equals to area under the curve of VT graph. So what are the areas that it comprises? One rectangle and one triangle. So I am writing here as S is equals to area of rectangle OACD plus area of triangle ABC. What is the area of rectangle? Length OA, breadth is OD. Half into base into height AC into BC. What is OA? U. What is OD? T. Of base T, height is V minus U. So now here we are changing. What we are changing here? We multiply T inside. What do you get? Half into Vt minus Ut. Now multiply half. What do you get? Half Vt minus half Ut. Have you seen clearly? Out of these three terms, in two terms Ut is common. If you take Ut common, you are writing half Vt same, and if you take common, what is your 1 minus half? 1 minus half is half. So S is equals to half Vt plus half Ut. Again, what is common here? Half is common, T is also common. Half we remove outside. Half into V plus U into T. Yes. So S is equals to half into V plus U into T. What is T? V minus U by A. So S is equals to half into V plus U remaining same. What we are writing here? T V minus U by A. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. 2A remaining same. V square minus U square equals to 2A. Yes. So these are called kinematic equations of motion of a uniformly accelerating body.